Uncle, I'm here because you are the only surviving brother of my late father. What is wrong with our lineage? Why are we not successful? Why are we wallowing in abject poverty? Because I'm worried. I don't understand what is wrong with our family. We have been feeding from hand to mouth. At my age, I can't boast of 1,000 naira. And it's not like I'm lazy. Nothing is working out. We only smell success, but we can't touch it. Is there something about our lineage that I don't know? What is happening? What is wrong? Uncle, please, talk to me. Talk to me. I need to know.
Laz, your great-grandfather, who is my grandfather, was the richest man in this village in his time. Yes.
My great-grandfather was the richest man in this village.
Yes.
During his time.
Of course.
Why then are we the poorest now? Why are we the poorest? What happened?
Lazarus, that is how come our surname, Mirijoro, a name self-explanatory. It was said that your great-grandfather, who is my grandfather, got his wealth from the goddess of Otaka River. After his first son drowned in the river of Otaka, that is Otaka River, he now denounced all agreements, all the agreements he reached with the goddess of Otaka River. As a result, the goddess withdrew all the wealth he bestowed on him. That is the reason every member of this family, man or woman, small and big, is forbidden from going close to Otaka River. Yes, it has been so since then till now. And I believe, and could continue except something else is done, just because of the enmity between us and the goddess of Otaka River. Yes, except somebody.
Abogini mele zonyi chile bonye nyano. Agini mele mwane chibwe mwane. Obuzi kini melenu wajiwe kuone. Ogini melenu na jile diopala. Akwego. Akwamaki hego. Akwego. Akwamaki hego. Ego you go. Ego ne mi fedin. Ego ne mi fedin jo. Ego you go. Ego ne umadan. Ego na zandu. Ego di no gwe. Ego di no gwe. Adula konfe.
Goddess of Utaka River, my name is Lazarus Melijoro, the great-grandson of Ikejako. I have come to continue from where my great-grandfather stopped. I am tired of poverty. You must bless me or kill me. The choice is yours. But as for me, I will not leave this place until something happens. Yes.
Money, 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 money. Money, money.
We have not set eyes on him for 2 days now.
What? 2 days? Are you serious? It was exactly 2 days he came to my place. And I saw bitterness and frustration all over him.
Uncle, that is my fear. I don't want my brother to commit suicide.
God
forbid! Fear! Hi!
Who pastor? That will never happen.
Nana, what do you suggest me to do? We have searched for him in every nook and cranny of this village. What do we do now? Oh. Hey!
I'm suggesting I will take this case first to the elders in council before going to the police. Do you hear me? So everybody should calm down. Please calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Okay? Please calm down. Yeah? Don't panic. Don't panic.
Money, money, see what you call show. Money. Money, 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 money. Money, money. See what you call show. Money.
Your great-grandfather, Ikejaku, may have died many years ago. But his oath with me still lives on. as you have come to renew this covenant, I shall bless you, my son. Take that bag home and bring it back after 3 days, and your wealth shall know no bound.
Money, 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 money. Money, money. See what you call show. Money, 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 money. Money. Money, 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 money. Money, money. See what.
Ah!
Money, 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 money. Money, money. See what you call show. Money, money. Money, 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 money. Money. See what you call show. Money.
Jesus! 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 Money, 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 money. Money, money. See what you call show. Money, money. Money, 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 money. Money, money. See what you call show. Money.
I'm sure that was the money my brother was seeking for. That made him kill my mother. Blood money. He killed my mother because of money. Now he's nowhere to enjoy the money. What do I do now? Okay. I will make him save the money without enjoying a dime from it. Yes. Auntie, just dance.
What?
Just
what
dance.
Is it
Forget
now?
Just dance. Come and see, come and see.
Gloria, what is the good news? Tell me.
Come and see, Auntie, dance. Come and see what the Lord has done.
Talk to me now.
Auntie,
what is it?
Auntie, Auntie, Dikeh. God has done it. God has done it, Auntie.
What is it? I can't see anything here.
Auntie, I won a jackpot. My mother appeared to me in the dream and gave me 5 little numbers to play. Auntie, Auntie, I played and won 30 million naira. Auntie, dance for me! Dance!
Did you just say 30 million naira?
Auntie, I won 30 million naira just now. Come and see us. Come and see.
Hey! Eziogu!
Yes, Uncle.
Hey! Where will I start? Wait. Gloria, my daughter.
Uncle.
Do you mean to tell me that you are now a potential millionaire overnight?
Yes, Uncle. Uncle.
Hey!
There is nothing God cannot do.
Of course.
I'm equally surprised, Uncle.
Hey! Have you seen?
What is it?
I have been hearing that people have been winning lotto. Winning millions of dollars, millions of naira from lotto. But today, it is happening in my own family, my own house.
Amen.
Can you imagine? Hey!
So good, though.
I told you, any living being should not lose hope.
Yes, Uncle.
Thank you. Can I reach Neke?
Uncle, please.
Abogini mere zonyi chile gonye nyano Agini mere nwanne chibwe nwanne Abozikini mere nwa chiwe buwanne Agini mere nna chile diopara Akwego Akwamaki hego Akwego Akwamaki hego Ego you go, ego ne mi fedin, ego ne mi fedin jo. Ego you go, ego ne umadan, ego na sandu. Ego di no gwe, adura konfe.
Well, madam, what you ask is almost impossible.
Impossible?
Almost, you said, Mr. DPO. Not absolutely impossible. The suspect in question is my brother. And the victim is also my mother. So, all I'm asking is for you to close the case so we can handle it traditionally.
Well, you know, this case is an already established case of murder. I mean, it will be difficult for me to do.
But the suspect is still in your custody.
Yes, DPO. This matter is not difficult for you to handle. After all, the case has not gone to the law courts. Okay? You can do something. You have the power to make your decision and it is final.
Well, my chief, like I said, it's a very difficult issue.
Mr. DPO, I'm offering you my hard-earned money. Should I say 3 million naira?
Money, 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 money. Money, money. See what you call show. Money, 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 money. Money, money. See what you call show. Money. To make. Oh no, time is running out of me. Oh, God,
Sister, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I only went to Otaka River and asked for wealth. I never knew it will metamorphose to this. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Have you come to remind me of my beloved mother?
No. All right. Thanks for bringing me out of the police custody.
Welcome to the main prison. Black Bullet.
Yeah, boss.
Mighty Thunder.
Yes, boss.
Tiger.
Yes, boss.
Organize a welcome party for him. Say thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Huh? Huh? She said, well, party, not my funeral. No, now. I heard her. She said party, not burial. My brothers, please stop. Please, please. She said party. Sister, you said party now? Sister, hey! You shameless and evil goddess! I hate you! Oh yes, I hate you! Because you are wicked! I begged you for money! But you gave me pain and sorrow. I begged you for wealth! But you took my mother's life, my precious mom. I swear you will dry up in shame! You will dry up in shame, you evil goddess! hate you! I hate you! I hate you! Shameless goddess! Shameless evil goddess! I wish I had... Come out! Come out! This is not fair enough! I was family with my parents! You took my mother's life away! Yes! You did not give me the money I asked for! How will you be this wicked? How will you be this wicked? I swear you will die of in shame! This evil goddess will die of in shame! If I go there, no one. Look at how God suddenly blessed my sister with so much money. If I had no such blessing was on the way, I wouldn't have even quit my teaching job or gone to Utaka Goddess. Look at her mansion. Beautiful one at that. My own younger sister. Now I know why our elders say that when a man runs faster than his G, he will run a fruitless race.
Ogini mere na jile diopara Akwego Akwamaki hego Akwego Akwamaki hego Ego yibo Ego ne mi fedin ma Ego ne mi fedin jo Ego yibo Ego ne umade, ego na zandu. Ego di no gwe, ego di no gwe. Adira konfe.
Good day, ma.
Have I not said the particular time you should have your breakfast in this house?
It's 1:30 p.m. already, ma.
And the home chores?
I'm done.
Take that money. Leave that food you are eating. Run to the petrol station and buy 50 liters of diesel before you continue with your rubbish food.
The filling station in this village is shut down, so I need transport to go outside this village and get diesel. This money won't be enough.
And what happened to those your legs?
Sorry, I just remembered.
Ego di no gwe, ego di no gwe. Adira konfe.
Enjoy yourselves. Life is too short to be worried.
Of course.
Uncle,
We are eating and drinking. Life is good. My wife, eat on, drink on.
Auntie.
Auntie,
don't tell me you're already tired.
Hey, tired. When we have just started.
I hope
no beans are for the we'll finish everything.
So I got it.
Gloria, Gloria.
Auntie Omo.
Glow, glow.
I have mobile and cinema beef.
Yeah, too much.
Bia? Anom Pama.
Uncle, you're welcome, sir. Auntie, you're welcome.
May you swallow that your tongue there. If you ever call me your uncle again, you murderer.
Did I hear him call me auntie?
Just imagine.
Eh? May thunder fire that your mouth, you poor auntie. I'm not here. Gloria, I don't even know why you brought this boy out. Eh? You would have allowed him die and rot inside jail.
Auntie, I know what I'm doing.
You useless, impatient animal. Look at you. Get away from my face.
Auntie. Ego. Piano fear.
Come back here. She's calling you.
Go and drop that diesel. Run back inside and iron those clothes I kept on the sofa.
Hey, Gloria. Gloria.
He will stop.
Hey, yeah, Maka.
You missed it again. Yes! As a matter of fact, you missed it again. Look, at Gloria's mansion, there were a lot to eat and drink. Eat as you like, drink as you like. You missed it again. Eh? How I wish Machi were still alive to see how marvelously God has blessed our daughter.
Then Nana. Have you been able to ask Gloria the question I said you should ask her?
What question? Forget about the question. There is no sense in it. No sense at all in it. Forget it.
Then Nana, how could you say such? Eh? Your brother's daughter amassed such a wealth that is traceable to nowhere. And here you are saying questions should not be asked. Eh, Mama?
You amuse me most times. Eh? Can you question God for blessing her? No. Can you? Automatically you can't. Eh? Look, if you still have questions to ask, you better gently walk to her and ask her the question. After all, she's your late sister's daughter.
My spirit still does not accept that girl's sudden wealth. Something is wrong somewhere. Yes, I know.
Something is wrong somewhere. But let me tell you, she is rich means she is rich. Nobody can do anything about it. Do you hear me? Nothing. Because Mother brought you. Are you God?
Then Nana, you're all supporting your job. Let it not be that you're supporting evil.
Na support evil. I will support evil. Let me tell you, if this is why you have come here, if this is what you have come to tell me, sorry, I don't sit with hypocrites.
Madilisa chano no mane puasala natado. I pull up belly fellow. I got the no way when I'm away. I pull up belly fellow. If I can negotiate. Inasimemena ubemana sindo akwanye batego no wa onwebo biangole inasimemena ubemana sindo akwata batego no wa enyabana ya respect akwanye nwetego no wa enyezi enyo kenyano
Ooh la la. Baby. Come on. I love what I'm saying. This is beautiful.
Thank you. Hey, come here. Take this and buy me 1 packet of Unna then. Take it.
Sorry, what do you mean by Ogunnaben?
Shut the fuck up. Go and buy us condom. Condom is for strafing, okay?
Don't forget I'm your elder brother.
Come. You have 1 minute to do that.
Hurry up. No time.
Let's go, baby.
It's nice, you know.
Welcome to my house.
Yeah, man. I love what I'm saying. This is beautiful. Well.
Me, I'm not going anywhere. Me, I'm not going anywhere. Hey. Look at the mess I have landed myself in. All because of Erimego. My own younger sister now treats me like a houseboy. She even sends me to buy her condom. My own younger sister. What an insult. For how long will this continue? So if I buy this condom now, another man will use it to sleep with my own younger sister, and I will do nothing. Poverty is a disease. Poverty is a disease. Poverty. The thunder that will fire you will come from deep.
What is your value? In between the currencies, what is your value? As lost against sense, that's a loss of Babylon. I'm getting a Maggie. potential governor, a potential professor, from potential president to spiritual prisoner. All things that glitters is not gold. All things that glitters is not gold, my friend, my brother.
Hi, good night. Sorry, good morning, sir.
We are to.
I want to dispose this dirty that I packed from my.
You have 1 second.
Okay, sir. I like your canvas, sir.
All things that glitters is not gold. All things that glitters is not gold.
Don't worry about him. The police will take care of him. He's on the wanted list.
I don't think he's in this village, boss.
Wherever he may be, Agarasha must come back. The police have started searching for him. Go and get yourself ready.
All right, boss.
We will hit the road soon.
Money, 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 use the money. Oh yeah.
Now, this particular
you see, you will die here. You will die here. You will die here. You will die here today, I swear.
You go die here.
You will die here today. I am going to
You are going to die here. MSN or up now.
You will die here today. I will kill you here today.
Everywhere. Everywhere.
Wait, I beg. Mona, wait.
Where they come?
I know him, please. I know him. I know him.
Now, all the guys go to town.
Salazar, I beg. I know him. He was my mathematics teacher from the village.
What you concern me? Mathematics. I'm asking mathematics. This man is a criminal.
Leave that in. Let me go.
You not die here. They tell me say mathematics waiting.
Point this man here. Kabuka this man here now.
What happened? I beg.
This criminal and his gang came to our compound and robbed everybody.
I am not.
This is one of my coach.
Salazar, not true?
No, now I'm not a criminal. I came into this town a few days back. I don't have anywhere to sleep or go to. So I started working in an uncompleted building as a laborer. I saw this clothes where we were working and I asked my co-workers. None of them claimed it. So I wore it. I never knew it was stolen. I'm not a criminal.
My brothers, Mona, calm down, please. Mona, don't hear him now. I know him very well. You're not a criminal. Please, Mona, leave him. I beg.
This man is a criminal. Look at him first.
Money is good.
take on a wine, you better not respect.
You say money is not due.
If I negotiate,
I can see you're enjoying yourself.
Yes, of course. Yeah. Thank you once again for your hospitality.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Tabani ife ne gadigo. Ife adigo mo.
Eme ngwangwa, eme yala odachi. We brought an invitation for you from the Royal Palace. You see, the annual chieftaincy title coronation will be coming up in 2 months' time. And as a young, successful woman in our clan, we deem it right that you should be among those to be given the title. And that is why we are here.
That is true. Yes, it will be our pleasure for you to accept this rare invitation.
Yes.
My elders, I've heard you. 1 minute.
Okay.
I don't like talking too much. This is what is called thank you for coming.
Yeah. There you go.
Daddy King, I concur. And my choice title is Chief Ezenwai Ego. Nkizizi.
Chief Ezenwai Ego. Chief Ezenwai money. Ino nenu ego.
You're welcome, my
Hey, Ego Amaka.
Enjoy yourself.
Hey, Ego Amaka. Hey. Ego.
Lazarus, wait happen. Why you can't keep me? I define you since morning. I don't see you. I even ask neighbor. They say you never come back. Where you go? Wait happen.
My brother, see me see wahala. A passenger forget his bag for my keke. This bag since afternoon. I just did that bus stop the wait make the guy come back. This guy don't come. Even though we say my belly they worry me, I for still there. I want use toilet to rush back because I don't know what's in there the bag. I don't know why he forget. I can't just tell.
Finish. Now this way talk now, so it be.
Yes, sir.
So waiting come dey inside the bag.
How I won't take no. Don't be my bag now. I don't be open passenger bag. You want making God say I collect in perfume, I collect in gold. I leave the bag like that too.
Now I carry and come, make carry enter my house. So you don't know what's in this van. I won't carry and enter my house. That's lost. I mean, for how long something could do you for this city? Make your eye open. You know the village again.
Now passenger bag now. Why go open bag when not be my own?
You check am now. You know what's in there inside.
Hello, my belly they worry me. Man, use toilet first. I beg. The bag fits. We know what we will do the bag.
Fast. Oh, just do conquer this thing. Come on here. Hey. You know say no dey again. Carry person bag come. Which human being be this? You go just carry person. You no go check wetin dey inside. You no know whether na. You no know. You just carry am. Okay. If I leave you now, I go just carry am enter. Okay, check. Look this bag, sir. Huh? That's lost. That's lost. That's lost.
Oh. Hello, Ga. Hello. Hello, Chukwu. Hello. Hello, Chukwu. Hello. Hello.
Bless me properly. I get them before no be property. Now why I dey pray, make you carry your blessing, shower me. Oluwa bless me properly. I get them before no be property. Now why I dey pray, make you carry your blessing, shower me. Carry anointing, cover me. Kego mudize nuko simiri atata. Hey, come surround the way you are.
Mama!
Papa sings so questionable. What the give it or what the give it or
Mama Mo. Mama Mo. Mama Mo. Mama Mo.
So, my son, when he saw that you come back with Chizoba, he became so frustrated. He became so desperate, and then used his mother for ritual.
Hi, Laz Emeteria. Laz did not do well. Mama, remember I told this boy to wait for me. When I come back, I'm going to help him. Why so much in a hurry? Eh? Why so much Mbano? Hey, I didn't mean Mbano. Hey, hey.
My son, don't even mind anyone who will blame you. Eh? For his evil act. After all, the classroom was paying him well. Only his long throat landed him into trouble.
Mama.
Yes.
Mama, you just nailed it. Don't mind that foolish pauper, that wretched idiot. Someone that lives in this village want to pluck Arab money from tree. Imagine that fool.
So where is he now?
My son, his sister later made money and brought him out of the prison. But the suffering did not end there. He ran out of the village. Can you imagine?
Ijoa. Well, Mama, that's not the main reason why I'm here. Yes. I got a call from the Igwe and this council inviting me to be one of those to be conferred chieftaincy title.
Really? Yes. So, my son, are you interested?
Of course.
One! Madam!
Mama, henceforth, I will be called Ezego 1 of Wanine.
Can I hear you again? Can I just hear you?
And my wife here will be called Eze Wine Money.
Hey! Tuoya!
Wanine.
Tuoya! What?
I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed at you that you couldn't address me. Just let me see about my father. Mama,
Ezego what?
Eh? Ezego
what?
Sit home also.
Ezego one.
Mama, nam.
Brother. Ezego one. Ezego one. Ezego one. Nekuya. Ezego one.
Waiting mega. When Zeno kid is everything is mega. Your shoe is mega. Your car is mega. Odogu gummy fene messy. Ogini mega. Mega money. Mega swagger. One name chinty. Ida fools. If any name mega. My bank account is mega. My pocket mega. One nature lima halfa. One two ma far. The good no wa. On the body. The good each ne do so. Kita na kwasi fensa. One nature tasikwa. Wina wukwa. Nkusi chelu gaku konde quality exam. One no borotata. Everything all the time. Back then it was your time. Right now it's my time. You mathematician. It cannot solve for commas. Akukoni ni maze no wa. One naked do how far. If you wanna make one to hurry, on your chino when you see it. If you wanna make one to hurry, China don't want them when you pull up. Chala Puraga, Lazarus, Anya Mama, Anya Kuko, when Miss Bulodigo. If you was not a laka when them, I Bacharanya,
I just came to confirm what I heard. Welcome back home. I hope you are ready for me.
The lion is always ready to devour at any time.
This is no time for your drama. I will see you later.
I'm gallant as ever. Try me.
If you work harder, you achieve better. Makano waronya chukubara katabo, odeginaka, naka. When you work harder, dream bigger. No matter at all, you can aspire anything you want for this life. Oh, but you got to use your brain, use your sense, my brother. Use them well, oh, well, oh. Use them well, oh, well, oh. Ooh, yeah.
Yes, sir. No problem, sir. I will deal with it. You don't have any problem. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Hey! Listen to me, all of you. Listen and listen very attentively, okay? The chairman is coming here right now. And I want you all to work very hard to impress him. If not, he will ask me to sack all of you. Now, do I make myself clear? No dull moment. I want you to work like a machine, okay? Work as if you never get tired. Do you get me? Work as if this job has become part of you, that you are addicted to this job. Okay? Now I want you all to start working. Okay. And be fast about it. Be very fast about it. I don't know what you people are doing. Be very fast about it. I said be fast. Look at this man. Look at what he's doing. Be fast about it. Okay. Dig like a man. Be fast. Okay. Good day, sir. You're welcome.
Nice one, nice one. You can see people are doing well, engineer. People are doing well.
As you can See, my boss are working very hard to meet up with the deadline he gave me, sir.
Engineer, is this our chairman?
Yes.
Hello, guy. Hello, guy. Ah! Hello, guy, so you are the chairman. Why are you acting up for me now? Hello, guy, you just disappeared. You abandoned me in that house. I couldn't even maintain the rent. The landlord threw me out. The Dikeh owner collected it from me. He just vanished into thin air.
Some days are like that. How are you doing, Aslos?
As you can see, struggle continues.
Sir, you know him?
Somehow.
He's still a Dikeh girl somehow. I taught him in secondary school. He was my student. I was his teacher.
Poor man's problem, being mouth. Go back to work. I'll see you later. Engineer.
Sir?
Let me see you.
Nah, my friend, go back to work. Go and work.
Guy, do you know him?
I know him now. I was his teacher. I swear.
That's the chairman. Owner of this house.
He's the owner of this house.
Telling you, he get rid of this building in this village. That's the owner of the house. Hey. Now go and work now. Yes, I'm working now. Hope your money, no time. Open the
Okay. God, why have you refused to bless me? God, why? Have I not suffered enough? You blessed Erimego. That was not brilliant when we were in school. You blessed my younger sister without handwork. You blessed Elochukwu, who was my own student, a keke rider. What have I done wrong? Why am I wallowing in abject poverty? Why? Mama, I know you are the one punishing me. But the truth is, I did not kill you. I did not kill you, Mama. I never knew Utaka Goddess was up to something. God, why? God, why?
Erimego, we want to thank you once again for honoring this royal invitation. You have made us proud. Very good. But there is a little coincidence. The chieftaincy title which you have chosen for your wife has already been taken by Gloria Mirijoro. So you have to take another one.
Ndiche, that's not possible.
Eh?
Yes. I mean, she should be the one to make another choice. My wife here already bears that title in Europe. Yes. Like I said earlier, it's totally impossible.
Oh, we had kind of.
Yes, indeed, Chair. My husband is right. We cannot travel all the way from Europe down to this village to be robbed by a male local champion. It's not possible. No, it's not.
It has not gotten to that yet. Since you already bear the title in Europe, we shall talk to Gloria. She will have to make another choice.
Of course. That is the only option.
When did you okay, Takonobia? Now you've come. Like I always. You know how I do my things.
Erimego!
Say it again.
Erimego!
Sit one here.
Erimego!
Because how the natural ego.
Erimego!
Sit to tonto.
Erimego! Okay, one over.
Mana ichie bam. Ichie, I am not happy with you guys. I am not happy with you guys. Piko, ali no mugu. Tuwe mafa, tonu mez, tunu. Akpatage mi ego, iji mi ego. Ife kubu to. Ichie, sit to me also.
Erimego!
I can't hear you.
Erimego!
For the last time.
Erimego!
Okay, one. Ichie, this is for you.
Okay, one. Hey.
Tukwem.
Erimego!
This is for you, Ichie.
Hey.
Erimego! Ichie, this is for you.
Erimego!
Now it's coming, oh. This is just for now.
Erimego!
That is it.
Amaka. All this for us? Erimego, you shall live long. Erimego nowhere. Okay, one. Erimego. In fact, the title has finally become your wife's own. Automatically. Amaka. All this for me? Hey.
When the waiting mega. When the Nezeno kid is everything is mega. Your shoe is mega. Your car is mega. Odogu gummy fene messy or guinea mega. Mega money. Mega swagger. One name chinty ida fools if any name mega. My bank account is mega.
And what is a threat of being in my mansion? You have 1 second to say your mission here.
Well, I don't understand your fear, my dear. A rat must shoulder in front of an elephant. But you know what? I, Ezewanyego, is always known for a peacemaker.
Thanks for the compliment. But I would rather advise you wait for the official coronation before you address me by my chieftaincy title.
Well, that is exactly the illusion I've come to clear here. I am the one and only recognized Ezewanyego. From this village down to Europe and the entire United Arab Emirates.
Mighty Thunder.
Yes, boss.
Show her to the gate. Don't ever allow some deported Europe prostitute into my mansion again.
The cheddar. On your bona, no, like say I be musician. I'm gonna go by my song. Elive buzi mega. Chine.
budget? Oh, what is your value? Lazarus get sense, oh. Lazarus get sense, my brother. Mama, I say get sense, oh.
Madam, good morning, ma'am.
Anna, Dikeh, Lazarus. I must confess. In fact, since you started working here, it has been a blessing upon blessing. See, I have never had this level of patronage before.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Anna,
It's Lord's doing.
yes. Lazarus,
Ma'am?
how many whites are there?
Okay. We have 28 tops.
Don't worry, let me count it.
All right.
No, don't worry yourself. Continue your job here.
All right.
Good boy.
From potential president.
It is time to renew your sacrifice to the goddess of Utaka River.
Did you just say renew my sacrifice? What sacrifice?
Waste no time in renewing your sacrifice. If you want your blessings to continue, or you lose your soul.
What blessing are you talking about? You know what? The thunder that will fire you will come from Libya. Are you mad? What blessing are you talking about? You killed my mother. Still, I have been fluctuating from frying pan to fire. I can't even boast of 1,000 naira, and you are here talking about sacrifice. I can be very dangerous when I'm angry. Don't just provoke me. You are nothing but a useless goddess. Don't just get me angry. Nonsense. Did you give me 1 naira? Did you give me any money? What will I sacrifice? Don't get me angry. Oh. Don't just get me angry. And Mafia.
To be forewarned is to be forearmed. Help yourself now before it's too late.
The zero looks like 8. Your handwriting confused me. I'm sorry.
You must be blind. You see, you must be blind. See, let me tell you, I will make sure I deduct 3,000 naira for your salary this month. I'm telling you honestly. What's wrong with you? My 8, they're like 0. They're like 8. You are blind, honestly.